Expeditions Company is at the forefront of this new era of delivery courier, utilizing robots, drones, and rovers to efficiently and securely deliver packages to customers. Let's explore how this innovative automated delivery process works. Expeditions Company has embraced automation to streamline their packaging delivery process. They have invested in state-of-the-art robots that are designed to efficiently pick, pack, and sort packages with precision and speed. These robots work seamlessly alongside human workers, reducing the need for manual labor and increasing overall efficiency. Expeditions Company's fleet of robots, drones, and rovers are transforming the delivery industry. The robots used by Expeditions Company are equipped with advanced sensors, computer vision, and machine learning algorithms that enable them to quickly and accurately identify and handle packages of different shapes, sizes, and weights. These robots work in perfect sync, ensuring that packages are sorted and routed to the correct destination with speed and precision. Drones are another key component of Expeditions Company's automated delivery process. These cutting-edge aerial vehicles are equipped with advanced navigation systems and sensors, allowing them to safely and efficiently transport packages to their destinations. Automation in packaging delivery has numerous benefits. By automating the packaging and delivery process, companies can significantly reduce the time and resources required to get products into the hands of customers. This is because automated systems can handle large volumes of packages and sort them quickly and accurately, without the need for manual intervention. This can lead to significant cost savings over time, which can be reinvested in the business or passed on to customers in the form of lower prices. Automated systems are designed to handle packages with precision, ensuring that each package is properly labeled, sorted, and delivered to the correct location. This can help reduce errors and improve the overall quality of the delivery process. Automation can help streamline the entire packaging and delivery process, from picking and packing to labeling and shipping. By using advanced robotics, artificial intelligence, and machine learning technologies, automation can significantly reduce the time and resources needed to process and fulfill orders, allowing businesses to operate more efficiently and with greater precision. By using automated systems to pack and label products, businesses can reduce the risk of human error, which can lead to costly mistakes and delays. Expeditions Company's rovers are equipped with advanced navigation systems that allow them to efficiently plan routes and optimize deliveries, reducing the time and cost associated with last-mile deliveries. They are also designed to interact with pedestrians and traffic, ensuring safe and smooth operations in urban areas. The use of robots, drones, and rovers not only made the delivery process faster, but also more reliable and efficient. People was impressed by the advanced technology and innovation that Expeditions Company has incorporated into their delivery process. One of the key technologies that has impressed people is Expeditions' fleet of drones, which are equipped with high-resolution cameras and GPS navigation systems that allow them to deliver packages to even the most remote locations with incredible accuracy. Expeditions has also incorporated advanced robotics into their delivery process, using robots to sort and pack packages in their distribution centers. They are also supported by sophisticated software and data analytics, which provide real-time tracking and delivery updates to customers. And that's a wrap on our exploration of the automation of packaging delivery by Expeditions Company. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on the latest technological advancements. I'll see you soon.